Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to do the hustle dance steps. Begin by standing with your feet together, ready to move. The basic hustle step is a 3-count movement. You'll step back on 1, bring your foot to center on 2, and step forward on 3. This creates a foundational rhythm for the entire dance. Practice this simple sequence to build your confidence and feel the beat. Now, let's add the essential rock step to connect your movement seamlessly. After completing your 3-count basic, gently rock back onto your left foot, then shift your weight forward to your right. This 2-count rock step, often counted as N1, links your basic steps, giving the hustle its characteristic smooth flow. Keep your knees slightly bent for effortless transitions. You have 2 primary options for running Windows on your MacBook Pro. Boot Camp allows you to install Windows directly onto your Mac's hard drive, letting you boot into Windows natively. This method provides the best possible performance for DayZ, as Windows has full access to your hardware. Alternatively, a virtual machine like Parallels runs Windows as an application within Mac OS. While easier to set up, virtual machines typically offer lower frame rates and can introduce stuttering due to shared resources. Now, let's put all these elements together for a complete hustle experience. Continuously practice your basic step and rock step, ensuring a fluid connection. Gradually integrate the turns you've learned, making them feel natural within your dance. Remember to maintain a relaxed frame and good posture. Most importantly, listen to the music, feel the energetic disco beat, and enjoy the dance.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.